Manchester United. Season 2. The cast list has changed a bit. Looks for Rashford, driven wide. Saved by Jose. Now Wolves, this time they're breaking up the right-hand side. Dangerous through ball. How close was this? Cunha from quite a difficult angle. Now here's Anthony, looking for Rashford. Rashford's there. Blocked. Nunez. Sarabia, big chance!
Incredible.
I can't believe that stayed out.
We were all waiting for the net to burst.
Oh, Fernandes. Lovely ball in. Wan-Bissaka, surely! Moran to the rescue. With 15 minutes to go, United are finally out of the blocks. Nunez pulls it back towards Silva. Silva's there! Oh. Opening day victory for Manchester United. Result.